Hello, I'm Thomas, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple tugboat from the series TUGS. TUGS is a series that aired in England. It only lasted for 13 episodes before it got cancelled. I made 2 of them already, excluding Johnny Cuba, as he is not a tugboat. Here we have 10 cents and Blue Nose. I keep on mixing Zoran with Blue Nose for some reason. Anyway, let's start. So first you need to make the base of the tug. Here are 3 steps on making the base. First, cut off a strip of paper about this long. Second, fold it like this. Third, fold up the sides of the folded part. Like here. Fold up these sides. Alright, so now we make a paper cube, something like this, and then you design it in the way that whichever tug you're building is painted in. I am doing Hercules, but this is for any tug you're making. Like Top Hat, OJ, or something. So you take this paper cube, which now has a face, and the top design, and then you can clearly see that there are 2 empty spaces. So what you need to do is take 2 pieces of rectangles, cut out 2 paper rectangles that fit the empty spaces, and then color them in something like this. And then you tape the 2 paper rectangles together. How simple is that? And then you tape the paper cube onto the base of the tug. Oh, let me get my face on. My face falls apart all the time. Yeah. Oh, what are you? There. Now for the final step. The funnel of the tug. Every tugboat has a funnel. So all you need to do is cut out a strip of paper, color it black, and you tape it like somewhere over here. So thank you for watching this, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh no, it's Blue Nose. I gotta get out of here. Attention! Attention!